Hello friends, welcome back to Code with Vinz. I'm Vinz, your guide to building awesome web projects, and today we're diving into something super exciting, a futuristic portfolio web page that's perfect for showcasing your developer skills. This project has a sleek UI, swirling particle background, smooth animations, and a light dark theme toggle. We'll explore the UI, break down the code step by step in beginner friendly style, and share a zipped code file. Watch till the end for the password. Our goal is to hit 500 subscribers, so please like this video, share it with your friends, and smash that subscribe button. Ready? Let's jump right in. Let's start with a tour of this stunning portfolio. The page begins with a fixed navbar at the top with links to home, about, experience, skills, projects, and contact. Everything is styled in a futuristic neon gradient. There's a toggle for switching between dark and light themes, making it super user friendly. The hero section is the highlight. It features a mesmerizing swirling particle effect, a bold Vinz developer title, and buttons like View Work and Contact Me. Scroll down and you'll see an About section with profile image and glowing icons, an Experience stepper with animated circles and gradient lines, a Skills section with a marquee of tech logos and progress bars, beautiful project cards with hover effects and code, demo links, and a stylish contact section with a Glassmorphism form and social icons. It's fully responsive, looks amazing on mobile too. Now let's dive into the code. First, let's talk about the HTML structure. We start with a basic HTML5 template with meta tags and the title Vinz Dev vertical bar futuristic portfolio. We link the following libraries via CDN: Tailwind CSS for design, Font Awesome for icons, GSAP and ScrollTrigger for animations, Matter.js and simplex noise for the swirling particle effect. Inside the body, we add a theme toggle with moon, sun icons, a canvas for swirling particles, a floating particle layer for extra glow, a fixed navbar with navigation links and a responsive hamburger menu. Then we add sections for hero with headline and CTA buttons, about with a profile image and details, experience stepper with job history, skills with icons and progress bars, projects using grid layout and hover cards, contact form with social links, and a footer with logo and copyright. The layout is clean, accessible, and fully semantic. Now let's style it with Tailwind CSS and a few custom tweaks. The body has a dark background and pink-blue neon gradient, which flips in light mode to soft grays. We use Tailwind's utility classes for spacing, color, and layout, and define custom variables for theme colors. The navbar uses a frosted glass look with backdrop blur and animated hover underlines for nav links. In the hero section, the swirling particle canvas sits in the background with bold typography in the foreground. About uses a flex layout with a profile image and glowing code icon. Experience has a gradient stepper design with animated dots. Skills includes a marquee of tech icons and bars for React, Node.js, and more. Projects use gradient borders, hover zooms, and colorful tags. Contact has a Glassmorphism style form with glowing input highlights. Animations for floating particles are handled via CSS keyframes. Media queries ensure perfect mobile responsiveness. We use Orbitron for headings and Inter for body text gives a true sci-fi vibe. Now let's bring it to life with JavaScript. We use GSAP for animations, ScrollTrigger for scroll events, Matter.js for physics, and simplex noise to animate the swirl. Main features include smooth scroll navigation, animated mobile menu toggle, dark light mode switch with local storage, a canvas swirl effect with 700 plus particles, each with dynamic motion. Section reveals using GSAP fade and motion effects. Experience stepper animates as each item enters the viewport. Skills marquee scrolls endlessly with icon loop. Floating particles are generated dynamically and float using CSS. Window resize. Logic resizes the canvas for all screen sizes. This JavaScript stack gives the site a futuristic, lively feel. That's a wrap. Friends, our futuristic portfolio webpage tutorial is complete. I hope you're excited to build your own version with these amazing effects. The zip code is linked in the description and the password is Vinz500. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Code with Vinz. We are aiming for 500 subscribers, and your support means the world. Tell me in the comments, what tutorial do you want next? A 3D game, creative portfolio, or animation project? Thanks for watching. Keep coding and keep creating. Bye.